Hi, it's Elisa from Photobox Designs. I'm here today to show you a quick way to edit the letters on this template that we have here. This template is in our store at photoboxdesigns.com on Etsy, and you can use this template for in the box photos or general photography. Everything will work. It's a quick and simple clipping mask that I'm going to show you. All of the font is editable, and when you purchase this template, you will get a document. In that document, you will get a link to the fonts that I've used here. These are free fonts on the web, on the internet. You have to download them before you open up the template, or I guess you can actually download them after you open the template. But in order to use them, you have to install them into your computer. If by chance those fonts are not available for free anymore, then you can choose to purchase them or find something that's comparable. We don't create those fonts, we just use them and give credit to the maker. So please also follow their rules in terms of using the fonts. Okay, so quickly, I want to show you how you can easily access your photos and inserts. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the clipping mask layer. You can even just go directly on the move tool and click on the clipping mask layer. It should bring you there. You're going to go to File, Place Embedded, find the photo that you want to import. I'm going to import this little cutie and press OK. And then I'm going to right click and I'm going to create clipping mask, and I clipped her into this box. I'm going to just resize it to the point that I like it at, however you want it to be. And voila. If for some reason you bring a photo in that is not above the clipping mask, you must make sure to drag the layer in the layers panel so that it's above where it says clipping mask. That way you can clip it in. Quickly, I'm going to show you another one. File, Place Embedded. And I'm going to put in an inside the box photo that I've taken here. This is a cute picture of my niece when she was little. I'm going to right click on it, create clipping mask, and I'm just going to then try and use the transformation tool to bring it inside. And now I have it inside the box photo. So this is all adjustable, and I'm just going to show you all of this font. Where it says My Teacher First Day of School, that's just Myriad Pro that comes with Photoshop. But these letters and the ones in here, if you want to use those, like I said, you have the free download. Once you've downloaded the font into your Photoshop, you can go ahead and go to your font tool, your type tool, and then you can just go to the font that you want to change or the word you want to change, and you can highlight it. So let's say you want to make this second grade. You can also change the color, the sizing, all of that. That'll work. But what I want to show you the most is how to change the colors on this word here. And you could do this with anything really. If you notice here, it says Jennifer's, and I have all the letters in different colors. If you highlight this, right, and you change the, the word, you want to make it, whoops, you want to highlight it? Matthew's first day. You'll notice everything comes out in yellow. So of course you could just go to the color changer and you can just pick a new color if you want your whole word to be exactly the same. You can even just go to the color picker and pick a color that's inside the template already. Okay. But if you want to do what I did, which was to make every letter a different color, then what you need to do is you need to make sure you're on Matthews. You just highlight an individual letter, go to the color picker, and maybe you want that one to be green. And maybe you want this one to be yellow. And that's how you would go ahead and change up the color so that you have different colors going on in the word. You could do that for any text, anywhere, anytime. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, shoot me a question through the shop, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.